My name is Mr. Pauzaku Goite and I'm the president of Kuki Students Organization, Delhi NCR.
Sir, unity
Yeah.
and separate, they are two words.
Yeah, sure.
While unity diverse, it becomes separate.
Yeah.
How the separate will become the unity and solution?
No, unity is not what we are looking for now. Before May 3rd, we used to be united. Post May 3rd, we have been separated emotionally, physically, politically, everything. Now the only thing remains is administration. Now, if we are separated administratively, then we are totally separated from what the so-called Manipur. And we will always be part of India, either as a union territory with a legislature or a full-fledged statehood. That's what separation means for us.
Might they impose the charges upon those that sophisticated weapons are looted and the intruders are coming with the sophisticated and you charge the same on the other community?
Sure.
How the solution will come out?
No, this allegation is totally false because we have not looted any sort of government weapons. Okay, see, it's very clear that over 5,000 ammunitions, arms, and over 5 lakhs ammunitions have been looted.
What is the truth?
That's Christian truth. That's gospel truth. That everyone has proof of it. Okay, and not only that, after life for 5 months, they have looted again another, if I'm not mistaken, 200 ammunitions from 7th MR Manipur Rifle and Police Training Center, which is in Pange. Okay, this Arambai Tengol people, the private militia of the state CM of Manipur and Biren Singh, Arambai Tengol. This Arambai Tengol is a militia, a private militia of the chief minister of Manipur, which we call the chief of monkeys.
Why the administration is not supporting to you?
Chief minister, he is totally against us. Even before May 3rd, he had been always in any field of life, in any walk of life against the cookies. He was the most brutal CM ever in Manipur.
Last question.
Okay.
What the message you will like to say about the youth, about the citizens, responsible citizens, about the country?
Okay. For a secular country, for a democratic country, this country should wake up and support these tribal Kuki people who have been meted out with atrocities beyond repair by this majority Métis, who have always been communal with their patriarch, the so-called CM of Manipur, Biren Singh.
So even you are confirmed that after separate administration, the solution will come out?
Yes, separation per se is the solution.
Thank
Beyond
you.
that, no other solution.
Thank
Separate administration, only the solution. Mr. CM, you should give away the separate administration, or Mr. Modi ji, or Amit Shah ji. Today you are visiting Manipur, so you should come back with one solution in your mind. That is UTV legislature or full-fledged statehood for the Kuki tribal community in the so-called Manipur.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
Okay. What is your name and Crystal?
Okay, my name is Mr. Pauzaku Goite and I'm the president of Kuki Students Organization, Delhi NCR.
What is the reason of protest today? But you are not get allowed.
Okay, we were not permitted just because of the very reason we were planning to organize today's protest. The reason is, yesterday we were humiliated, or we were killed inhumanly, barbarically. The slain 2 Kuki volunteers, after being killed, the Arambai Tengols, they played on the dead corpse of these 2 slain Kuki bodies, and they scroll on the ground, and they cut their hand here, they cut their hair, and they put their foot on the face. That's inhuman. That's barbaric.
Any support from your state government and central government?
How can we say the state government will support us? It's the state government who provokes us who always has a program, ulterior motive of this ethnic problem. CM himself, the Biren Singh government, is responsible. He will take charge of responsibility for this ethnic cleansing or genocide, I should say.
When you will do next protest?
We will be holding another protest on this coming Saturday with due process of law. We will be submitting a permission to the Delhi State Police, and hopefully we will be given a permission, and by that time we will organize a very democratic protest, and I hope we will be very successful.
You can expose everything on that day.
On that day, we will expose anything in terms of clips, videos, pictures, everything the world will see. We will expose the atrocities, the inhuman, the barbaric act of the private militia of the state CM, so-called Biren Singh. Thank you. Open 360. I think you guys came. Okay, today we are protesting, or we are gathering here as a remark of protest against the inhuman, barbaric killing of the slain Kuki volunteer. Please, I repeat, slain, who has already been killed. These dead bodies might be killed by a wrong bullet. It is charged that it's the bullet of someone, Indian army. So I should say this is not the fault of the Indian army. It is the wrong bullet who hit the two Kuki volunteers and passed away.
So instead of gathering here, didn't you go to government for some support against this?
Not at all. We didn't get, or we have not got any sort of support from either the state government or the central government so far. Yeah, in terms of rehabilitations or any social security reasons, we have got.
From last 1 year, this protest atrocity is going on with the Kuki people. So any demand that has been fulfilled by you?
Not at all. So far, it's like the government, both center and state, have done a blind eye, deaf ear. So we can say, or we should say, we must say, none of the government, be it center or state, have given attention to our problem.
So what is the solution for this problem? A separate administration?
Yeah, sure, exactly. You media people know very well. I'm thankful to you all. This thing, you media community, fraternity should expose our problem and help us in demanding separate administration for a democratic country like this present, like pre-May 3rd India.
So this is election year, and about 1 month election will be there in Manipur. So you are not going to central government offices for this demand?
Yeah, central government has, of course, they would like to be voted for them, but so far we have no clear picture as to whether we will stand for
anything support from opposition party.
No, not at all, because the opposition government back home also Meiteis, government also Meiteis, people also Meiteis, Arambai Tenggol also Meiteis, everything UNLF, everything from A to Z, Meiteis.
So from where the demand will be fulfilled? From where the demand will be fulfilled?
So it depends on the unity of the affected tribal community, Kuki community, plus the media people. You people are very responsible for helping us achieve this separate administration.
From last 1 year, any progress in this?
No progress. It's rather worse and worse. You have seen just 1 day before yesterday the way how two volunteers were killed, very barbarically and inhumanly.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.